Hello students, welcome back with the new lecture of exercise 1.3. Students, we are solving question number 5. We have already solved the 4 parts, that is A, B, C and D. Today we are going to solve the next 4 parts, that is E, F, G and H. But we will not multiply simply, we will use suitable properties to multiply the product. So students, without wasting time, let us start. Students, last time we have used distributive property. If you look this question properly, if you observe this question properly, here also we have two numbers common. So we can apply distributive property, that is A into bracket B plus C is equal to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. So we can apply the same rule, but if you look properly, here I have plus 625 and here minus 625. So don't worry students, minus 625 can be written as 625 into minus 1. See students, 625 into minus 1 will give me minus 625. So what we will do, we will take plus 625 as common and into bracket we will keep minus 35 plus this minus 1 into 65 will become minus 65. Now 625 as it is, we will solve the bracket. We are adding two integers with the same sign. What we do, we add them and keep the common sign. So 65 plus 5, 70 plus 30, it is 100 plus we will take the common sign as it is. Now multiplying 625 with minus 100 is very easy, because what we do, we simply add the two zeros to 625. So our answer is minus 62,500. Now let us move to part F. Let me write first. So next question is 7 multiplied by into bracket 50 minus 2. Students, you know the distributive property over addition. You also know the distributive property over subtraction. I have discussed with you. A into bracket B minus C, what we do, we multiply A into B and then minus A into C. So we will apply the same rule here. 7, that is A multiplied by B, B is 50, then minus again 7 multiplied by 2. So our answer will be 7 5s are 35, that is 350, minus 7 2s are 14. And if you subtract if you subtract minus 14 from 350, you will get 350 minus 10 is 340, 340 minus 4 is 336. Let us move to the G part. Let me write first. Here we have to multiply minus 17 into minus 29, but the question says you have to use suitable properties. Students, last time in one sum we have done 102 as 100 plus 2. You know it very well. So this time what we will do, minus 29 we can write as minus 30 plus 1. Solve it, you will get minus 29. Minus 30 plus 1 will give me minus 29. So here instead of minus 29, what I will write, minus 17 multiply by minus 30 plus 1. Now we will use distributive property over addition, that is A multiplied by B, that is minus 17 into minus 30, plus A multiplied by C, that is minus 17 into 1. Now if you know the 17 table, students, 17 threes is 51, and since it is multiplied by 30, so I will write here 530. It is very easy, students. Let me show you here also. 17 into 30, 3 sevens are 21, 3 ones are 3, and 2 5, 0 1 5. And since it is two numbers with negative sign, that is even number, so it will become plus only. Plus minus 17 into 1 will give me minus 17. Now addition of two numbers with unlike sign, what we do, we subtract the numerical value. So let us subtract numerical value. 510 minus 10 will give me 500, minus 7 will give me 493, and then we keep the sign of the larger integer. Your larger integer is 510, so it will become plus 493 is your answer. Now let us move to the last part, that is H part, but let me write first. Students, observe the question carefully. It is the same thing which we have solved before. We have two numbers common, that is 57 and 57. We have addition in between and multiplication also, but here we don't have multiplication. So can I write this question as this, like this: minus 57 multiplied by minus 19 plus this 57. Can I write like this: 57 multiplied by 1? Yes, definitely I can write, because 57 ones are is 57. So let me first write like this: minus 57 multiplied by minus 19 plus 57 multiplied by 1. Now you can take common 57 and 57. Again we have 57 plus and minus. So what we have done before, we have taken 57 into minus 1 and then took the 57 common. So I will take 57 common, and this minus 1 will multiply with minus 19, that will give me 19, because minus and minus into minus will give me plus, this plus 1. 57 multiplied by 20. Now if you multiply 57 into 2, you will get 114 and the 0. So your answer is 1140. Let me show you how I have done calculation. 0 into 7, 0, so 2 sevens are 14, 5 twos are 10, plus 1, 11, 0, 4, 1, 1. Very easy calculation, students. You must also try to multiply the same way. Don't use the traditional methods like this. Multiply it directly. This will take some time, but if you practice it properly, you will understand how to solve. Today we have solved 4 parts, students. We will meet with next question in next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.